Hello and welcome. A new case in regression, linear regression. Find out the slope of the baseline from the following. Independent variable takes values 2, 4, 6. Dependent variable takes value 15, 18, 12. But first of all, in this question, some least known terms have been used. First is the slope and the another is the baseline. Slope of the baseline. What do you mean by slope and baseline? The baseline means the line of regression. According to the method of least squares, it is called the line of best fits. The line of regression is called the line of best fit, and this term refers to that fact. The baseline means the line of regression of dependent variable on the independent variable. Now what do we mean by the slope? We are well aware that where there is a straight line, there is a constant slope. So the term slope refers to that constant slope of the straight line. Which straight line? Baseline. Baseline means line of regression. So we need to find out the slope of the line of regression. What do we mean by the slope of the line of regression? Slope of the line of regression means the coefficient of regression of that line of regression. That means coefficient of regression of the dependent variable on the independent variable. In this case, it is upon us to use the sign for independent as well as dependent variables. We will follow the basic axiom of mathematics. Let's use sign y for the dependent variable and x for the independent variable. Now the case is very clear. We need to find out the slope of the baseline means the coefficient of regression of dependent variable, that means y, on independent variable, that means x. The coefficient of regression of y on x means simply b by x. So we need to find out b by x. If we use the given values directly, we have two columns x and y. Let's get their summations. It is 12 sigma x and it is 45 sigma y. xy. Because we need xy to calculate byx or bxy. 2 into 15, 30. 4 into 18, 72. 6 into 12, 72. 144 plus 30, 174 sigma xy. Now it is clear that we need to calculate b by x only. So the denominator of the formula will be made up of x only. So we need only x square and not y square. So we are not going to prepare the column of y square. X square. 2 square 4, 4 square 16 and 6 square 36. 36 plus 16 52 plus 4 56 sigma x square. The slope of the best line equals to b by x in this particular case, and b by x equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. That is, n is 3 in this case. Sigma xy 174 minus 12 into 45 upon n3 sigma x square 56 minus 12 square. 3 into 174 will be 510 plus 12, 522 minus 12 into 45 means 480 plus 60, 540 upon 3 into 56 will be 150 plus 18, 168 minus 12 square, 144. So it is minus 18 upon 24. See, the sign of byx or bxy or coefficient of correlation is always dependent on the sign of the numerator only. Denominator in the formula of all these three can never be negative because they are made up of squared values, and this is the product of n and sigma x square is always greater than the squared value of sigma x or sigma y. That's why the sign is dependent on the sign of numerator only. And that's why all the three have same sign, because all the three have same numerator in their formula. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So Byx is negative 0.75 or negative 3 by 4. So this is the slope of the baseline for the given case. That's it. Thank you very much.